All right, guys, today we're going to tour this beautiful true two-bedroom here in the heart of the East Village. This apartment has a great living space as well, really good size. Start you off with the first bedroom. Very nice size room here. Easily fit a queen, possibly a king bedroom in this room. Both rooms have really great closets with the shelves on one side. You can hang on the other for your suits, whatever. And your private little balcony out here. There she is, East Village, overlooking Tompkins Sq Park, St. Bridget, St. Emmerich Church here at the corner, Avenue B. You have tons of bars and restaurants down Avenue C and B. Associated grocery stores at the corner there. We're about 5 blocks to 14th Street right there, where you'll find the Trader Joe's at the corner. You'll find the new Target. Check out this living space with the deal breaker in it. This is a really big living room for the East Village. Easily fit couches, tables, your entertainment center, what you need. The deal breaker. Voila. There you go. Unheard of around here. Great. Wine cooler. You got gas. Low boy dishwasher. Low boy freezer on this fridge. Tons of cabinet space. Great crown molding. A closet for your household items. Very renovated bathroom. This is beautiful. You'll have a tub. Window to air you out. Video entry. Intercom. Bedroom number 2. I'd say this is a full queen. Same closet setup. Stackable on one side, hanging on the other. At this rate, in September of 2022, this is a great apartment for the money.